Hello everyone, it's Alex and welcome back to my injury recovery yoga series. Today's class is going to be your low impact workout focusing on our core. So it's not going to be anything too crazy. It's not going to be very cardio based. It's going to be very nice and slow, taking it easy, but mainly focusing on the core. You need no equipment, just a mat and a little bit of floor space. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're unable to join me for this video right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later. That way you can come back and join me whenever you have time. Alright guys, we're going to get started in a downward dog just to get us centered on our mat and give our body a nice big stretch to begin this class. So really push your hands into the mat, push your heels down, lengthen out through your spine, send that tailbone up high, take in a really big deep breath. And let it go. Really focusing on just stretching out your body, getting it warmed up. If you want to walk out the dog a little bit, you can. Stretch out through the back of the legs. Get in all that oxygen and then let it go. Feel that stretch through the upper body as well, trying to get that sternum to be pressed down into the mat. Good, let's take 2 more breaths here. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more big deep breath. And let it go. Very nice. From here, we're going to ripple through into our high plank position. So make sure your hands are right underneath your shoulders. Your feet are hip width distance apart. You're going to exhale as you get here and then inhale to send your hips back up to the sky. Good. We're just going to move from plank to downward dog. Starting to engage through the core. Every time you pull through into downward dog, think about sending that belly button up to your spine. Good, and again, these wave-like motions. You got 3 more. And 2. Nice and slow, doesn't have to be rushed here. And 1. Good. Hold that downward dog again. Take in a really big deep breath. And let it go. Nice. And then ripple forward into your high plank. Squeeze your abdominals up into your spine. Squeeze the glutes. Roll the shoulders down and back. Take in a really big deep breath. On your exhale, you're going to step that right leg onto the outside of your mat, coming into a high lunge. Send those hips down. Good. You're going to switch back into plank and then switch out your legs. So left leg comes. Good. We're here for 10. So go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Bringing that leg all the way forward. 3, 2, and 1. Hold that plank. Take in a really big deep breath. And then lower your knees down, push yourself back into a child's pose. We're going to take small breaks in between every exercise. Again, because this is a low impact workout, so it's not going to be anything super intense. I want you to have these moments where you can find your breath again and catch your breath and slow down your heart rate before we pick it back up. So taking a really big deep breath, reach your arms up to the front of your mat. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. Nice. And on your exhale, go ahead and reach your body up. Step back into that high plank. We're going to repeat lunge into plank. So again, engage through the abs here. You're going to step that left foot forward this time, coming into your high lunge, and then step it back. Keep going here. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Good. Hold that high plank. Take in a big deep breath. Drop the knees down. Push yourself back into that child's pose. Let out an exhale once you get here. Very nice. 1 more big deep breath. Awesome. Then sit yourself back up. Just roll your shoulders out a little bit. You're going to come onto a seated position, your feet in front of you. about hip width distance apart. You're gonna reach your arms forward. Inhale to grow super tall. And exhale to roll all the way down onto the mat, slowly engaging through the lower abs here. Good. Once you get there, reach your arms up to the sky, and then hug your knees into your chest. Just take a rock side to side. Really massage out that spine. Hug the knees super tight. Very nice. From here, go ahead and place your hands underneath your knees. You're going to inhale to reach the feet back. Exhale as you sit up, coming into your boat pose. We're going to take this rolling like a ball, engaging through the lower abs and also just rolling out through the back of the spine. So inhale as you reach up. Exhale. Good, and keep it going. We got 3 more. 2, last one, and 1. Good. Hold this boat pose position. Keep your feet and your knees about hip width distance apart, sitting up nice and tall in the spine. Again, really engaging through those abs. Feel like you're trying to pull I heard Sophie. Feel like you're trying to pull your lower belly button into your back of your spine, and then really grow super tall out through the top of your head. Take in a big deep breath here. If you would like to add a little bit of a challenge, you can reach your arms forward. We're just going to hold, awakening those muscles. Good, we got 3 more seconds. 2 and 1. Good, keep your legs where they are. You're going to reach your hands behind you. Make sure your fingertips are facing towards your feet. Roll your shoulders down. We're going to do our boat to canoe. So you're going to extend those legs out. Exhale to bring your knees in and in. We got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Hold, squeeze, lower your feet down. Inhale to grow super tall. Reach up to the front of your mat. Exhale to slowly lower yourself down. Good. Reach those arms super nice and long above your head. Hug your knees into your chest. Just take a quick little break here. Reset your spine. Slow down your heartbeat. Nice. So we're going to take our rolling like a ball just once to get back up into this boat pose. Holding here. Squeezing that lower abdominals up and in. Roll the shoulders down. Taking a big deep breath. If you'd like, you can reach your arms forward, just holding for 3, 2, and 1. Good. Place your hands back behind you. We're going to take our boat to canoes once again, just 10 more times. We got this. Ready? Extend and bring it in. For 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. Good. Hold. Reach your arms forward. Drop the feet down. Inhale to reach to the front of your mat, standing up nice and tall. Exhale to slowly lower down. Good. Reach those arms up above your head. Hug your knees into your chest once again here. Take a little rock side to side. Massage out through the spine. Nice. From here, go ahead and extend that left leg long. Flex the left foot. You're going to keep that right knee bent and then just sway it side to side so that you can massage out your hip flexor here. Good. On your inhale, pull your knee into your chest. And on your exhale, you're going to grab it with that left hand and then pull that right knee all the way across your body as you extend that right arm out to the side, coming into a nice spinal twist, just releasing through the core here. Make sure both of your shoulders are pressing down into the mat. You feel that nice twist through the spine, through the core. Releasing all those toxins. Good. Taking another big deep breath. And on your exhale, see if you can twist even deeper. Nice. One more big deep breath. On your exhale, go ahead and reach that knee back in towards your chest. We're going to take it onto the other side. So switch your knees, left knee into your chest this time. Right leg extends out nice and long, right underneath your hip. You have those toes flexed. Sway the knees side to side so that we can massage out our hip flexors. Very good. On your inhale, bring the knee into the chest. On your exhale, grab it with that right hand and then pull it across your body as you reach those left arms out to the side. Coming into that nice spinal twist here. Make sure both of your shoulder blades are pressed down into the mat. Taking a big deep breath as you inhale and grow super tall through the spine. And as you exhale, see if you can twist even deeper. Nice. 2 more breaths here. Last one. Very good. On your exhale, bring your knees back into your chest. Take another rock side to side. From here, go ahead and extend both of your legs nice and long right underneath your hips. You're going to prop up onto your elbows. So make sure your elbows are right underneath your shoulder. You're going to extend super long throughout those legs. Point your toes. Start to feel your lower abs engage. We're just going to do alternating leg lifts. So what I want you to do is kick your right leg in towards your face. And then you're going to switch left, right, and left. Good. We got 10 here. 10, 9. If you can, see if you can keep those legs hovered. If this is too challenging for you, you're more than welcome to just rest your feet down and just focus on engaging your core as you kick your leg up into your face. Good. We got 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Come back, hug your knees into your chest. Take another rock side to side as you let out a big exhale. Very good. We're going to do that one more time. Alternating leg lifts. Again, if you can, see if you can keep those legs hovered. It's going to add way more of a challenge and really engage that core. Since this is a low impact workout, if it feels too much for you, if you're still in that recovery phase, go ahead and keep those legs dropped on the mat, and you're just going to focus on engaging the lower abs as you kick those feet in. So once again, whenever you're ready, let out a big exhale. Extend those legs nice and long underneath your hips. Prop up onto your elbows, sitting up tall through the spine. Engage those lower abs. Feel everything being pulled into your center. You're going to start to do those leg lifts, starting with the right. You're going to bring it in and switch. Good. Keep it going. We got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Hug those knees into the chest just one more time. Take a little rock side to side. From here, go ahead and grab hold of your knees and just rotate your knees out and away from you. So again, that we're massaging out our hip flexors here. You don't have to have too much pressure into your knees with your hands. You're just opening them to the side. Nice big circles. Go ahead and reverse that motion. Okay, keep it going here, and then alternating. One goes in and one goes out. And switch, reverse it. Awesome. Hug your knees into your chest one more time. Bring those hands under your knees. You're going to roll up like a ball 4 more times. So just rolling up through the spine for 2, keeping those feet hovered above the mat. For 3. And 4. Good. Hold this boat pose. Reach your arms forward. Roll your shoulders down. Taking a big deep breath. If you can, see if you can extend your legs nice and long. Again, if this is too intense for you today, you're more than welcome to just keep your feet at a 90-degree angles. Good. Taking a big deep breath. We're just holding. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Cross your ankles. Last exercise we're going to do today. Place your hands down on the mat. Step back into a high plank. Make sure your hands are right underneath your shoulders. Your feet are hip width distance apart. You're going to take in a big deep breath. And on your exhale, bring that right knee into your chest and switch. Taking some slow mountain climbers. This doesn't have to be too fast. You're just bringing that knee high up into your chest and switching it out. Good, we got 10, 9, 8, 7, you got it, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold your plank, high plank, squeeze your abdominals. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice, lower those knees down. Press yourself back into a child's pose. Let out a big exhale here. Nice big deep breath. And let it go. One more. Very good. And once you're ready, go ahead and sit back on your glutes. We're going to come into our final pose, our Savasana. So just extend those legs nice and long. Place your left hand over your heart, your right hand over your stomach. Gently close your eyes. We're just going to take 3 big deep breaths here together, slowing down the heart rate and controlling your breath. So inhale through the nose. And an exhale. 2 more, filling your belly with all the oxygen you can get. And an exhale. Last one, big deep inhale. And exhale, sink your body into the mat. Relax every muscle. You can go ahead and release your hands down by your side. Just come back to your normal breath. Reach your arms up above your head. Give yourself a nice full body stretch here. And on your exhale, go ahead and roll over to one side. Sit yourself up in the center of your mat in a cross-legged position. We're just going to take one last breath. As you inhale, reach those arms up. Exhale, bring your hands back down to your heart, bowing down, thanking yourself for such a wonderful, beautiful practice. I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching today's class. If you want to check out more of our content or see my whole series, you can go ahead and download our app, Yoga Plus, which is located in the description below.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.